Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. Welcome to another video. In this video we will learn that what child theme is, how we can create child theme, and how we use child theme. The child theme is basically the theme that inherits all the functionalities of its parent theme. And the question is why we use child theme. And the answer is really simple, that we use child theme if we want to customize or modify our parent theme functionalities, then we use child theme. And if someone want to update or upgrade the parent theme in future, then the child theme will be very useful because it don't lose the customizations or changes that made after the upgradations of that parent theme. Now look at the structure of simple creating new child theme, and then after making the child theme you should activate that child theme. I'm going to activate it. This is activated, but let's look at the structure, how I made it, and let's move towards the themes. Then open the 2020 child theme, and these two files are really important for to make child theme. Open these two files, style.css and the functions.php. In the style.css you should have these commented section above the style sheet, which is the first of all style name, theme name, then theme URI, description, author, template and version. All you should just copy from the description this all code, and just remember this template name should be same as the style sheet name as in the parent theme. For example, we are going to open this parent theme style.css and copy the name of text domain name of this and paste it here, template 2020. Just I'm going to add it to version of 1.0, then add this is just a test of background color. This before, just save this file and let's look at the functions.php. This is the function.php and this is the function name, and the parent style, this is the name which is the theme URI name in the parent theme. For example, we want to add it here, theme URI, then just open the function.php of the parent theme, search the get style sheet URI, control F and control V, then search get style sheet URI here, find next, you'll find it here. Just copy this name and add it in the functions here, then just save that function.php. Also we have saved the style.css and now we have saved the functions.php. Let's remove this code now at the time, and let's check that the child theme is activated. Move at front end and nothing happened because we haven't changed yet in the existing theme. Let's add here the style to the body, background color, and color it as black. Save it. Let's make the different. You can see that the color, background color is changed now. Let's move towards the backend and deactivate this child theme and activate it at this parent theme. Now look at the front end, refresh you, and you can see that the theme, default theme is activated. When you will activate the child theme, then the background color will be changed as we had changed in the style.css. Here how you can see that how we use the style sheet of the child theme. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.